Hi, I am Chelsea Kleber, and today I am going to review with you my technology plan. For my first part, the executive summary, the vision statement of RJVL, which is the elementary school that I am making this technology plan for, envisions using technology as a committed learning environment where students will learn through engaging activities through technology, and they will complete curriculum-based lessons, and they will also take ownership of their learning through technology. Teachers will also strive to use technology regularly in an effective manner. The technology will help with curriculum, engage students, and facilitate lessons, and they will also help with differentiating lessons to accommodate the many learning styles that take part in a classroom. In addition, the administration will also use technology to perform professional development, check grades, and complete other students' needs. This will help administration have all their work in one place. So instead of having, papers everywhere, throughout the school, this will, if they utilize the technology can serve as a one-stop shop for administration and teachers and also students to help in their learning. The impact of technology on the workplace is for RJVL to uphold the vision that technology is an integral role in the learning environment. This will impact students to become more literate in technology. A problem that may occur with this is that some teachers are a little old school, and when I say old school, as in kind of scared about utilizing technology in the workplace. They will maybe not want to be as easy to jump into technology, but the more that you do, the more literate your students will become in that technology. So the more they, kind of put themselves out there using technology, then their students will in addition. The planning or focus area in this technology plan is to integrate technology in the organization. This technology plan will be useful to advocate for students and helping them learn more through technology. In addition, the objective for this is that 75% of the staff will have training on a specific technology tool that can be used in the classroom. This can be Elluminate, Google Classroom, Google Drive, Nearpod, Plickers, anything like that. Just, so that teachers can have one training on, how to get good at one thing in Google Classroom, and just they can take that and run with it, and that will hopefully open up doors for them to engage students. Also, community engagement. The community will also be involved and also be an area of planning, because they will have to be selected members of the community that can serve on the board for this technology plan to make sure that this technology plan is meeting the correct needs of the students. The infrastructure of the school is, it's a very detailed list. However, I'm just going to go, vaguely through it. They will have desktop computers for every teacher. They will have a computer lab for students to use. Each student will also have their own Chromebook in the classroom. They will also have iPads that can be utilized for small group or for students who need a speaking aid. They can use an app on the iPad to allow them to speak. In addition, Promethean boards, projectors, and a screen, a printer, a camera, a copy machine, a router, a hub, and iBoss, which is a security system. So all of these will help in the aid of this technology plan and learning. Some personnel that will be utilized in this technology plan, or also utilized with technology on campus, is the principal or administrator, like an assistant principal or an assistant coach, a tech coordinator, which can be an IT person, or sometimes a teacher has training in technology, a teacher, a student, a parent, or also a community member. The budget and funding, the proposals are bought. So right here, I would like to clarify that the school board also has their own technology plan. They have their own funding that they give RJVL specific money for technology. But in addition, it also helps if we get outside funding. Just if we would like to purchase a subscription to a website, or to purchase a facilitating kind of thing like Prezi. And so the proposal will be brought to the Parent Teacher Association because they do countless fundraisers for the school to help for these upgrades. So I know last year or 2 years ago, PTA purchased one Chromebook card where they had 30 Chromebooks all in there with a card to charge. So that was a hefty fine, but they took it on, and two classes could share that Chromebook card to help for that. So that is just one thing. And the budget is revised every year by June 1st. So this budget would have to be probably changed or accommodated by March, April, to make sure that it is ready for June. And the evaluation of the technology plan. On my technology plan, I have several questions, but one that I thought was very important was, how do you assess the needs of this plan? And that is to make sure that all stakeholders are assessing that. That would be teachers, administrators, students, and community members. And they will do that by giving feedback on what is being used or needed to change in this technology plan. And the 5-year action plan. The 5-year action plan, they will be able to appoint and notify stakeholders in 5 years. So you'll have to appoint those stakeholders, those teachers, those administrators, community members, students. They will then create an action plan. They will then, after that action plan, purchase funding or make sure all equipment is up to date or everybody understands the PD, and then hold the PD. Then in 3 years, check in with stakeholders, meet again, changes. Then in 1 year, check in again, meet again, make changes, and then hopefully this technology plan will be completed. And now, thank you for watching. This is all of my technology plan in a one-stop shop video. So thank you all for watching.